Remove the valve cap. Remove the valve core with a valve wrench, and completely release the inner tube gas. Use a valve wrench or plastic pry bar to pry off the tire section. Bisection along the rim until one side of the tire bead is completely off the rim. Remove the air nozzle and slowly pull out the inner tube. After removing the outer tube, clean the inner tube to prevent secondary punctures. Take new inner and outer tubes. Install the valve core with a nozzle wrench. Put the inner tube into the outer tube and inflate it to 30% to prevent it from folding. Pay attention to the direction of the tire. Press the inner tube valve into the rim valve hole, and starting from the valve, press the tire lip on one side into the rim groove. Use both hands to gradually press the remaining tire into the rim. The tire bead must be completely embedded in the rim. Lubricate with soapy water if necessary. Inflate a small amount to about 50% to 70% to facilitate adjustment of the tire line and tire lip. Check whether the tire bead and tire line are evenly exposed on the rim, and adjust any uneven. Check and adjust the valve to see if it is centered, fill it to the standard pressure, and install the valve cap.